Easy remedies to get rid of dandruff. Feeling low on confidence and self-esteem by those tiny flakes constantly falling on your black dress? Well, dandruff is something that can hurt your behavior in public. Dandruff is also medically known as seborrhea, and this condition weakens your scalp primarily due to poor hair brushing, stress, and dry skin. So now the question is, how do you put a stop to it? Dandruff is caused when a type of fungus called Malassezia begins to grow on your scalp. However, this results in scalp damage and causes severe dryness. There is another type of dandruff wherein your scalp begins producing more oil, and as a result, dandruff appears to be sticky and oily on your hair. Now that you have understood the primary cause of dandruff, let us understand how you can put an end to this condition. Home remedies can do well to treat dandruff, provided the condition is not severe. If dandruff is severe, then it is advised that you take medical treatment that can help resolve this problem. Sometimes the shampoos you use do not do any good, and that is when you will need medical treatment to treat this condition. There are many home remedies that you can use on a daily basis, and this will help you get rid of dandruff permanently. Let's move forward and have a look at some home remedies that can help you get rid of this unwanted hair problem forever. But before we move forward, if you like our videos and content and don't want to miss out on any of them, hit the like, subscribe, and bell icon. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has been used to treat ailments ranging from acne to psoriasis. It is also proven to have powerful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which may help alleviate symptoms of dandruff. In fact, according to one review, tea tree oil is effective at fighting the specific strain of fungus that can cause both seborrheic dermatitis and dandruff. The effects of tea tree oil on dandruff by treating 126 people daily with a shampoo containing either 5% tea tree oil or a placebo. At the end of the study, tea tree oil reduced the severity of symptoms by 41% and improved greasiness and itchiness. Note that tea tree oil can cause irritation in those with sensitive skin. It's best to dilute it by adding a few drops to a carrier oil like coconut oil before applying it directly to the skin. Coconut oil. Well known for its multiple health benefits, coconut oil is often also used as a natural remedy for dandruff. Coconut oil may help improve skin hydration and prevent dryness, which can worsen dandruff. A small study of 34 people showed that coconut oil was as effective as mineral oil in improving skin hydration. Other research has found that coconut oil could aid in the treatment of eczema, a skin condition that may contribute to dandruff. Applying coconut oil to the skin for 8 weeks reduced symptoms by 68%, compared to just 38% in the mineral oil group. Application of aloe vera. Aloe vera is a type of succulent that is frequently added to skin ointments, cosmetics, and lotions. When applied to the skin, aloe vera is believed to help treat skin conditions like burns, psoriasis, and cold sores. It may also be beneficial in the treatment of dandruff. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of aloe vera could help protect against dandruff. Aloe vera was effective against several species of fungi and may help control fungal infections that cause hair loss from the scalp. Use of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been associated with a variety of health benefits. These include improving insulin sensitivity and increasing weight loss. Apple cider vinegar is also often used as a natural remedy to get rid of dandruff. The acidity of the vinegar is believed to help stimulate the shedding of dead skin cells on the scalp. Apple cider vinegar is also said to balance the pH of the skin to reduce the growth of fungus and thus fight dandruff. If you'd like to give apple cider vinegar a try, add a few tablespoons to your shampoo or combine it with other essential oils and spray it directly onto your hair. Aspirin Tablet. Salicylic acid is one of the primary compounds found in aspirin that is responsible for its anti-inflammatory properties. In addition to being found in aspirin, salicylic acid is also found in many anti-dandruff shampoos. Salicylic acid works by helping get rid of scaly skin and loosening flakes so that they can be removed. For an easy dandruff remedy, try crushing 2 tablets of aspirin and adding the powder to your shampoo before washing your hair. Use of baking soda. Baking soda acts as a scrub and exfoliates the scalp gently, without irritating it and removing dead skin cells. Exfoliation is essential to ensure there is no buildup of flakes on the scalp that makes dandruff even more visible. Baking soda, along with its exfoliation and antifungal properties, also soothes the scalp and reduces redness and itching. You can simply add some baking soda to your shampoo while washing your hair to derive its benefits. Use of neem leaves. All of us are aware of the role that neem extract plays in almost all skin medications because of its antibacterial and antifungal qualities. Since dandruff can mostly be attributed to fungal colonization of scalp, it is only right to turn to this age-old remedy for skin ailments. It is suggested to use a much diluted version of neem, that is neem boiled in water, for the scalp, as concentrated versions may only irritate the skin further. Garlic. The pungent smell of the occasional garlic clove may make it a no-no for some people, but its medicinal value is definitely something that cannot be overlooked. Garlic is immensely beneficial as an antifungal natural product, and the benefits of raw crushed garlic have mesmerized man for centuries. Pound a clove or two of garlic, and after mixing with water, use it on your scalp to see quick results. The smell? You could always mix in a little honey and ginger. Eat more probiotics. Probiotics are a type of beneficial bacteria that are good for your health. There are many potential probiotic benefits, including protection against allergies, lower cholesterol levels, and increased weight loss. Probiotics may also help enhance immune function, which could help the body fight against the fungal infections that cause dandruff. Probiotics are available in supplement form for a quick and convenient dose. They can also be found in many types of fermented foods. Minimize stress levels. Stress is believed to impact many aspects of health and well-being. It can influence everything from chronic conditions to mental health. While stress itself doesn't cause dandruff, it can aggravate symptoms like dryness and itching. Sustaining high levels of stress long-term may suppress the activity of the immune system. A weakened immune system can reduce your body's ability to fight off some of the fungal infections and skin conditions that contribute to dandruff. To keep stress levels under control, try some stress reduction techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing, or aromatherapy. Dandruff may occur all over your scalp, but it's usually more prevalent in the back of the head, along the frontal hairline, and around the ears. If you've ever experienced a dry, itchy, flaky scalp, you've likely had dandruff. This condition is not harmful or contagious, but it certainly can be pesky and uncomfortable. You might find yourself constantly scratching your scalp or getting tiny white flakes all over your brown and black clothes. The most embarrassing thing that could happen when you're dressed up for an interview or a formal dinner is an all-consuming need to scratch an itchy scalp, and also know that a cascade of white flakes would follow onto a jet black blazer. Dandruff is a medical problem that has managed to unite over half the adult population across the world, beyond gender, age, and race. Getting rid of dandruff can be a burden. However, if you follow these simple steps on a day-to-day basis, you can prevent it from affecting you. Do not comb your hair using others' hairbrush. Also, make sure you clean your hair once in 2 days. Regular cleaning of your hair will help prevent dandruff. Although dandruff can be a frustrating problem, there are plenty of natural remedies available that can reduce symptoms and provide relief. Next time you're spotting flakes, give a few of these natural remedies a try. We hope that this video helps you out in getting rid of your ugly dandruff and give your hair a shiny and sleek look. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned with us till we get back to you all with yet another amazing video of the wonderful facts leading a step to a healthier, easier, and beautiful life.